Polynomials chapter 3 class 10. In previous video we discussed about exercise number 3.3 in which we discussed first and second problems. This is the third bit. It is very important, in which given this is the second problem. Okay. Find the quadratic polynomial in each case with the given numbers as sum and product of its zeros respective. That is given. I will give an idea how to solve these problems. Yesterday we already discussed about quadratic polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c is my quadratic polynomial. Its zeros are called alpha and beta respectively. In last class, I already explained. Alpha plus beta is nothing but sum of zeros. That is equals to, we proved, minus of x coefficient minus of x and coefficient of x of x is divided by coefficient of x square. In shortcut, very simple, we are writing minus b by a. Am I clear or no? And the product of the zeros, alpha plus beta, product of zeros, alpha into beta is equals to
constant
by coefficient of x square, that is equals to, in shortcut we can write
c by a.
Any doubt in it? This we discussed yesterday and we proved some problems from the first problem. See here. From this problem we discussed how to find the zeros of the polynomial, and we take a relation between coefficient of x square and coefficient of a x and constant. Okay, this is my quadratic polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c is my quadratic polynomial. This is, say, in general, p of x. We know it, p of x is equal to 0. We get zeros. Am I right? Therefore, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. I would like to divide with a on both the sides. I would like to divide with a on both the sides. Then ax square by a, bx by a plus c by a is equals to 0. A get cancelled. Here I have x square. Here I would like to modify. I would like to take little modification in this term. Minus b by a into x is nothing but minus into minus plus b into x, bx by a plus c by a is equals to 0. By observing this quadratic equation, minus b by a is nothing but alpha plus beta. That is nothing but sum of zeros. Now I got x square minus of alpha plus beta into x. C by a is nothing but alpha beta is equals to 0. By removing equal to 0, we get a quadratic polynomial. Am I clear or not? This is my quadratic polynomial with zeros. See here, alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is nothing but sum of zeros.
Zeros.
Alpha beta is nothing but product of zeros.
zeros.
Now coming to the second bit. Find the quadratic polynomial in each case with given numbers or sum and product of zeros respectively. See, this is a help to find my quadratic polynomial because here given sum and product. By observing this pair, this is sum alpha plus beta, this is alpha beta. Find the quadratic polynomial in each case with the given numbers as sum. That means 1 by 4 is a sum. And minus 1 is a product. A sum and product of zeros respectively. Now alpha plus beta is replaced by 1 by 4. Alpha beta is replaced by minus 1. Then I will get a quadratic polynomial. Work. Every time keep in mind you should write this statement. If alpha comma beta are zeros of
P of x.
P of x, then P of x means quadratic polynomial is equals to x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. X square minus alpha plus beta.
1 by 4.
Yes, I would like to write it down here better. From the first bit I am telling alpha plus beta is equals to 1 by 4. Alpha beta is equals to minus 1. So here I would like to write 1 by 4 because sum of zeros 1 by 4 and product of zeros is minus 1.
Yes.
But I would like to take.
Sir, you missed x term.
Yes, into x. Alpha plus beta is nothing but 1 by 4 into x and minus 4. Clear? Okay. Minus 1. I would like to multiply with 4 on this quadratic polynomial. Even we get same sum of zeros and same product of zeros. Keep in mind. 4 my denominator is 4, right? That's the reason I would like to multiply with 4. If my denominator is 7, I would like to multiply with 7. Am I clear? So x square minus x into 1, x by 4 minus 1. Minus 1 I would like to write. This is equals to 4x square, 4 into x square, 4x square. And 4 into x by 4 minus x, 4 into 1 minus 1. This is my quadratic polynomial. Let us check it out by the formula. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a, right?
Yes.
So my b value is how much? Here nothing is there. By comparing with ax square plus bx plus c, my b value is how much?
1.
Minus 1. Minus of minus 1 divided by my a value is how much?
4.
4. Minus to minus 1 by 4. See, I have my sum of zeros. Okay. If you take alpha beta means you will get the same answer, minus 1 only. Alpha beta is equals to product of zeros I gave c by a formula. We already proved constant by x square. My constant is how much? Minus 4. Write it down. My x coefficient is how much? 4. Is equal to minus 1. Keep in mind, whatever it may be, if you have any denominators, take the LCM and just multiply the quadratic polynomial. We get the same sum of zeros and product of zeros. Keep in mind. So now, coming to the second problem. Here sum of zeros is alpha plus beta is equal to root 2 and alpha beta in the second problem 1 by 3. Can I do it? My formula x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. X square minus alpha plus beta is nothing but root 2 into x. I would like to write as it is. Plus alpha beta is nothing but 1 by 3. This is my quadratic polynomial. Keep in mind. Again, I would like to multiply with 3 to get an ax square plus bx plus c form. Just multiply with 3. 3 into x square minus root 2x plus 1 by 3. That is equals to 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. Because 3 into 1 by 3 is nothing but 1. Am I clear? This is my quadratic polynomial whose sum of zeros must be root 2. Whose product must be 1 by 3. Apply it. We already proved our sum of zeros is nothing but 1. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus of x coefficient. Minus of x coefficient. My x coefficient is this one. Minus of minus 3 root 2 divided by my x square coefficient is how much? 3. 3 get cancelled, minus of minus of plus root 2.
Yes.
This is my quadratic polynomial. Am I clear or not? 3x square minus 3 root x plus 1. This is the way we can verify it. No doubt at all. Everything clear? We should know the concept. Concept is that sum of zeros is always equals to minus b by a. Product of zeros always equals to c by a. Now we are going to do the next problem. This one now. See here, sum of zeros is equals to 0 and product of zeros is equal to root 5. I have a formula p of x is equals to x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So x square I would like to write as it is. Alpha plus beta is 0 minus 0 into x plus alpha beta is nothing but root 5. This is equal to x square minus root 5. This is my quadratic polynomial. Very simple. Now coming to the next bit, they're given alpha beta separately. This is a little bit different. See here. Find the quadratic polynomial for the zeros alpha comma beta in each case is given. This is my alpha and this is my beta. In this question, they given alpha and beta separately, and we need to find a quadratic polynomial. So I have a formula p of x is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. This is my quadratic polynomial. I already proved. Okay. Coming to x square minus alpha plus beta, my alpha is root 3 plus my beta is minus root 3 into what you have x plus alpha into beta root 3 into root 3, that's all, with the minus because one root 3 is positive and other root 3 is negative. Plus root 3 minus root 3 get cancelled. This is nothing but 0. 0 into something 0.
Yes.
I would like to write x square as this. This term totally vanished. That's all. Root 3 into root 3. 3. Plus into minus. Here we have minus. Plus into minus.
Minus.
This is my quadratic polynomial. Now coming to this one. So if alpha gamma beta are the zeros of p of x, then p of x is equal to, this is my formula. Am I clear?
Yes.
This is equals to, I would like to write x square as it is, minus alpha plus beta 1 by 4 minus 1 because my beta value is here. This is my alpha and this is my beta. Am I clear or not? Plus 1 by 4 into minus, that's x square minus of, here I forgot to write x.
Yes.
Every time you should write the
X term.
alpha plus beta into x. Alpha plus beta as it is I written and I multiplied with x. 4 1 ja 4, 1 minus 4, minus 3 by 4x.
Minus.
Minus. Plus of minus here, plus and minus becomes minus. 1 1 ja 1, 1 by 4. Here minus of minus how much? Plus. See here. Minus of minus, x square, minus of minus. X square I written as it is, minus of minus, so plus
Yes.
3 by 4x minus 1 by 4. Now see this one, I would like to multiply it to 4 to get the ax square plus bx plus c format, that's all. Even you leave this one alone like this, it is a quadratic polynomial, no doubt at all, its zeros never be changed. Even you multiply with 4, we get the same result. So, okay, I would like to multiply with 4x square plus 3 by 4x minus 1 by 4. Even the polynomial must be get same zeros. We get 4x square plus 3x minus 1. This is my quadratic polynomial. It has same sum of zeros, same product of zeros. Even you find zeros of the polynomials, we get 1 by 4 comma minus 1 by 4. I would like to check it out. Okay. We will get 1 by 4 or minus 1. See here, I would like to do it here. So 4x square, I would like to do it here. 4x square plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. I will get the zeros, no doubt at all. Okay, we know as usual method 1 into 4. 4 1 ya 4.
Yes.
4 minus 1,
3.
3. Okay. So 4x square plus 4x minus x minus 1. I won't like to splitting it those. Okay. 4x minus x 3x. Here I would like to take 4x common. I will get the x plus 1 because 4x into x, 4x square, 4x into 1, 4x. Here there is no common factor between it. 1 is the common factor.
Yes.
So minus 1 is taken out. I would like to get x plus 1.
Last is
1 into x, x.
minus.
Minus 1 into plus 1.
Minus 1.
We'll get x plus 1 common. Then we have 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. The product of two terms is 0. Then x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. Yes, I got. 4x minus 1 is equal to 0, 4x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 4. My zeros are k. Even you modify with
4.
this one modified with 4. Finish.